Okay, so we're going to use integration by parts to solve this definite integral. So we want to solve the integral from 1 to 2 of x natural log of x dx. So we want to let our f of x be something that is easy to take the derivative of, that wouldn't necessarily be something that's easy to integrate or find the antiderivative of. So we're going to let the natural log of x be our f of x, and the g prime of x, that's going to be our x dx. So if we set up, we want to know what f is, and then we'll have f prime and g prime. So our f is going to be natural log of x, and our g prime is going to be x dx. So now we're going to fill in this little table. The derivative of f would just be 1 over x, and that antiderivative of x is x squared over 2. So now we're going to use our integration by parts formula. So we're going to do f times g, so that's going to be, I'm going to write it with g in front just so it's x squared over 2 times natural log of x minus the integral of g times f prime, or f prime times g. So we're going to have 1 over x times x squared over 2 dx. So we're going to, now this simplifies, the integral simplifies quite a bit, and it is something that then is very easy to find the antiderivative of. We're going to have x squared over 2 natural log of x minus the integral, well, we can, the 1/2, we can pull the 1/2 out in front, and then x squared divided by x is just x dx. So we can integrate that. So the front will stay the same, x squared over 2 natural log of x minus, now we've got this 1/2, and then the antiderivative of x is x squared over 2. So this whole thing can be x squared over 4. This whole part, the 1/2 times the 1/2 just becomes x squared over 4. Okay, so now that we don't have any more integrals, we're able to plug in the 2 and the 1 just like we've always done when we're taking definite integrals. So we're going to plug in the 2. So that's going to give us 2 squared over 2 natural log of 2 minus 2 squared over 4, so 4 over 4, or 1. And then we'll subtract, and we want to subtract the 1, we want to subtract the whole thing, so we're going to put parentheses here. So we're going to have 1 squared, which is 1, so 1/2 natural log of 1 minus 1 squared, which is 1 over 4. Now let's just notice a couple of things. So this is going to be 4 over 2 natural log of 2, so that just becomes 2 natural log of 2. Then we have minus 4 over 4, so minus 1. And then natural log of 1 is 0, so this whole term goes away. So we'll have minus a negative 1/4 or plus 1/4. So our final answer here is 2 natural log of 2 minus 3/4.